Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to install the bracket kit for the MAG-200 dust collector. Now to start, you'll want to take the bottom yellow tray off of the dust collector, which we've already done here. You can see it sitting right over on the side. And then we'll take out the metal mesh filter and also set that off to the side. The tools you need are two 1/2-inch wrenches and a 5/16 socket. The first thing we'll do is we have to remove the bolts on the unit where the bracket will attach to. And these come with the dust collector already installed, so we're just taking them out. And we'll be using this hardware for the bracket kit. Inside you'll find a lock washer and a nut. So that's what I'm taking off right now from the inside and setting those down. We've got two last ones to do for the second bracket. And of course, feel free to use an impact when doing this as well. That's also another way of doing it, a little quicker. So let's open up the bracket kit here. And of course, keep in mind the instruction sheet that came with your dust collector goes through all these steps as well. Now, we've got a strengthening bracket that goes inside the unit here to basically reinforce the bottom bracket. The way that installs is the two holes on the side, you'll see, share the two body metal, sheet metal screws here on the side. So we'll also have to remove those. And again, this process you can use a nut driver if you prefer. When installing the strengthening bracket, the lip goes towards the top of the unit, so it goes in first. And then once you've got them both started, go ahead and tighten them up. Next, we'll take the brackets out. And the two brackets get placed, you could say, with the lip downward, because they will hang on the other side as they interlock. So these two get pointed downward. And then again, the same 5/16 bolts that you had before. And then using the same lock washer and nut that you initially took out. And now we'll tighten those two up. Now we can replace the metal mesh filter. There are two channels that guide that in. And then from here we can put the yellow tray back on the bottom. And now we have the bracket kit installed on the MAG-200. The other two brackets and the other hardware are set up for connecting to our pedestal stand, or you can lag bolt these two brackets to a wall or wooden bench or whatever other position you'd like to put it in. Thank you for watching.